It is very obvious that Iran really want to have nuclear weapon. But because Donald Trump always says that if Iran have a nuclear weapon, they will use it against people. That is why President Donald Trump and the US don't want Iran to possess this nuclear weapon. And because of that, the US block the Strait of Hormuz. And you know that the Strait of Hormuz is where Iran makes their money. Because once ship pass on the Strait of Hormuz, Iran will generate money. And due to the blockage US did on the Strait of Hormuz, it is affecting Russia, China, and many countries. And now, the Prime Minister of Iran says that no ship is allowed to pass on the Strait of Hormuz, especially any ship from countries that they are in crisis with. They should not pass, except ship that their countries are not in crisis with them. So he issued this warning and he said a lot of things in this video. Watch this. When we come back, we'll discuss. So watch.
The Strait of Hormuz is open and all vessels can pass except the vessels belong to those countries who are in war with us, who are fighting with us.
I hope you heard everything in the person of Abbas Araghchi. He says that no boat should pass except those ones they are not in crisis with their countries. But anyone, maybe US boats or Israeli boats, should not pass. But the reason why I am making this video is for Iran and the US to have a good dialogue and end this crisis. Just bear it in mind. The money being used to produce all these ammunitions they are using against each other can be used to provide basic amenities for the citizens. Maybe if it is the US will use the money to provide basic amenities for their citizens. If it is Iran, the same thing. There is no benefit in crisis, and for you to get benefit, it will only be loss as they are losing lives and properties. So the best thing US and the Iran people need to do is to come together and have agreement. Maybe if Iran should stop producing this nuclear weapon and be selling their uranium, fine. Or if US will have a concrete agreement with Iran that if they ever touch anybody with their nuclear weapon, that will be the end of them producing nuclear weapon. So in fact, in many ways, they can dialogue in many ways. I am making this video because this is not the right thing to do. War or crisis with one country and the other is not the right way to go, honestly. So I decided to share my opinion on this. What do you have to say? Please drop your opinions in the comment section. Let's know what you think. And don't forget to follow me on this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. See you in the next one, and bye.